Today it's Wednesday, May 11. Yesterday I had the bank 1. I have already shown you bank 1, okay? Not bad. Today bank 2, driver side. Valves are here. It's not been lapped, it's been cleaned only, okay? Let's see also this cylinder head. I have said this a couple of times. When you wash something and you're washing well, it's much more easy to spot any imperfection. So that means if there is any problem, you're gonna be able to detect, you're gonna be able to tell. Okay, I'm gonna show you in a while. Looking good, looking good, looking good. If I make like this, it's gonna stop. No, it's not stopping. Okay. For example, you see this? Has a piece of carbon over there. You can easily detect that. You can easily spot this one because all the way around is clean, but there is one point over there, right? What I was willing to say, this is not common in a stock application with a normal driving. If you are abusing the car or if you tune the car and you are pushing a bit hard, you will gonna see this. No, you're not gonna be able to see it through the camera. The other cylinder head is a little bit worse. I don't know if you can see that it came up. So that's why I was willing. I didn't touch anything on the surface because I might send it after lapping the valves. I'm gonna send for resurfacing. Also, this is positive. I checked this yesterday. I'm gonna bring the straight edge to show you. Let's see this one. Let's continue with this one. Okay, so combustion chamber. We have, you know what? It's pissing me off that I see this one over there. Give me just a second to take this shit out of there. Okay, now it's more nice. It still has a little bit, but with the final wash, all this will gonna go away. At least it's not pissing me off anymore. That's the rear side. Also here inside will be nice. Here for the temperature sensor. Okay, let's see it also front, and then I'm gonna turn it. This looks like a mark, not a sealant. Okay, there's no sealant, no sealant. Also this. By the way, these marks here, what you see, it's a coolant. This is on the valley. This the intake, and these are coolant. Why has a coolant here? Because it has an intercooler in the middle, both banks. Okay. So that's why it looks like that. These are marks from coolant, and you can see the machining lines of the cylinder head. I didn't disappear anything. I didn't scratch anything. Okay. Let me make it upside down to see the inlet ports and the exhaust ports. All right, exhaust. Yeah, looking good, looking good. A little bit on spot there up. This will gonna disappear. Again, it's the first wash of the cylinder head. All right. Okay. Here are the spark plugs. Okay, we're looking good. Fuel injectors. A little bit here, the last one. Has a little bit dirt down there. The rest looks beautiful. Alright, here let's have the camshaft. I have to repeat the same test what I did on the other one with the plastic cage. It looks beautiful. Guides need to measure it. The oil gallery from here. Okay, so what's remaining? The inlet. Just a second. Alright, the valves, classic like all the time, like the previous one. The oil return, 1, 2, 3, 4, looks nice and clean down there inside, beautiful, excellent, splendid, sealant. Did I remove everything? It has a little bit here. I'm gonna come back again here with a razor blade. Nice. On the corners here, nothing. Nothing. Little bit at this point. Little bit. Okay. 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 Here, oil gallery. No sealant. Nothing. Perfect. Beautiful. Now, let me show you something. You see the surface that's nice? No, you don't see nothing. It's out of focus. This one I'm talking about. Okay. See also here that's nice. Shiny. Okay. Watch this. It's not the first time that I'm watching I see this. I've seen this in more cylinder heads. This one has a crack. It's not affecting anything. It doesn't matter. This is even, let us say, if you don't put the brackets, the older models didn't have the brackets. It was have only 2 brackets, I think. So it's not that much important. This is just only to hold the camshaft down until you put the cover. It's not touching the camshaft on this bracket that comes here, or here, or here, or here, okay? Just this one, this has a small crack. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm just saying. And I show also, yeah, there is an imperfection here on the surface. Yay, classic. That's why they apply sealant here and they don't have a gasket, because sometimes you see some things like this on the casting. Yeah. Alright. Overall, looking good. Now, before I measure the guides, like I did on the other one, it's excellent, they don't have any problem at all, include also the valves, by the way. I want to show you, yeah, with a straight edge, to show you what I mean about the holes from where it's passing the head bolts. Give me a second, for you. What's that? God dang it, I didn't show that. Need to come back over there. Yep. Don't want to have anything here inside. Need to get it out. One second to take it out, and then we're gonna make it upside down, and we're gonna show you the straight edge, what I mean. With the straight edge still not gonna be so visible. Let's do that. Currently, where it is right now, it's positive by 1.13 of millimeter. What I said? 0.13 of millimeter. 0.13 of millimeter, okay? Higher. Alright, now I'm pushing down the bridge and I'm shifting it clockwise, right, sorry. You see that went there. I'm talking about the lip that's creating here. It's not affecting anything. I have seen that before, but for some small imperfections, because it's not a bone stock application, it's gonna be with a turbo upgrade. The same thing also this, you can see the same thing. Maybe if I point it from here, you can see what I mean here. So what I want to do, 0.05 in both of them, not 0.25, pay attention, 0.05. It's not wrapped, it's not nothing. It's on 0, the cylinder head. Just one light pass to be everybody happy, especially me. To have a clean, nice surface. It's gonna run with a turbo upgrade, it's gonna be tuned. It will not gonna be bone stock application. If it was for a bone stock application, I'll be able to install it without any problem, without any headache. But it's not. It's with the sleeves, with connecting nodes, ARP, turbo upgrade. Yeah, that's why no need to gambling, and especially on an engine that's not gonna be here in this country and gonna go outside. So, after lapping the valves, sending it for resurfacing, when it comes back, the final wash, and that's it. Then we are moving on. After that, I have to go to bring the engine block. Yeah, I still have it at the office. I haven't bring it here. Block and crankshaft, and continue with the rest. Balancing, pistoning gap, washing it. Classic, like always. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it. Another small update. Yeah, today here this is up. This here it's up. You can see that after the resurfacing, I'm gonna clean a bit the edges here, just to be okay. You don't cut your hands. Okay. All right. That's it. Thank you.